Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a cupcake. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First of all, I'm going to draw the sides of the cupcake. So I'm going to start here on top. I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to take it all the way to the bottom, like this. Just a little hook like that. And now I'm going to copy it the same on the other side as well. Just a little hook and bring it down like this. And now we're going to connect these two lines with each other. Make it nice and round at the bottom with a curve going up and connect it. Now we're going to draw the edge of the little paper around the cupcake, and we're just going to draw a zigzag line following all the way through. Right around, and there's the edge. Then it's time for the eyes. On the side, circle, and we'll draw the same on the other side, the same size circle. And now for the pupil. This side we're going to draw a pupil as well. And the light reflections. I'm going to draw 2 light reflections. And I'm going to do the same on this side as well. And a smaller one. Let's fold the pupils in. And now, right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little smile. Beautiful little smile off to the side. And now we're going to draw the cream on top. So from the side, I'm going to draw a nice curve down. And I'm just going to make a few zigzag lines, take it up, bring it through. And then we're just going to connect this line with each other. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw a little heart right here on top. Like this, and maybe like this. And there we have a little heart. And off to the side, let's do the same thing. I'm going to draw a little heart there as well. Now we're going to draw the cream again. To the heart, bring it down, bring it over like this. Then from this side, right here, I'm going to draw another heart. Then we're going to start from here. Going to make it nice and round at the top. Bring it over. And maybe connect it like this as well. And now for the last part. You can start right here. I'm just going to bring a line up, over, and just connect it like that. And there we have the cream on top, and we're going to draw a few sprinkles. And there's our cupcake. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.